Hi, I'm Katie from Made by Kate's, and today I get to talk about the Love Notions Feature Friday pattern, which is the Coda Quilted Coat. This is the first time the Coda has been on Feature Friday, and you can grab it today for only $5. I'll go ahead and include my affiliate link below if you'd like. The Coda is one of my favorite patterns because there are so many opportunities to make it your own. You can use so many different fabrics and do so many fun things to create a jacket that you love. Not only that, it's not a tricky pattern. It comes together quite easily, and depending on the fabric you use, you can have a coat just like that. Another thing about the Coda that I love is that if you are a quilter and want to delve into apparel sewing, this is the perfect pattern. If you are an apparel sewist and want to dabble in some quilting, this is the perfect pattern. Today I'm going to give you some ideas for different fabric combinations that you can use to make the Coda Quilted Coat. The Coda Quilted Coat comes in size extra small to 5X and includes 3 options for finishing the neckline. You can do a bias binding like I did here. You can do a hood, or it also includes a collar. I'll link below some resources on my Instagram and blog for quilting your own fabric for your Coda, how to make a fully reversible Coda jacket, plus a hack for a reversible Coda vest. Here's some fabric ideas for a few of my favorite Codas. I love making my own quilted fabric. This Coda is made from linen lined in poplin, and I sandwiched a lightweight batting in between. Then I just stitched squares for the quilted look. You can do this with quilting cotton, linen, any type of lighter woven apparel. I also made one out of knit fabric. This one is made from 2 pieces of jersey knit that I quilted together. It turned out so cute. Likewise, this Coda is made from a quilted knit, and I lined it with a French terry. This one is fully reversible, as I just sewed the 2 pieces as written and then put them wrong sides together and bound them together. This one is not quilted together, but so cozy and warm to wear. This Coda is a vest hack that I made out of corduroy and added snaps to it. This one is so fun to wear and is fully reversible with those enclosed seams. With so many different fabric options for the Coda, I want to talk a little bit about fabric thrifting. Do you ever have fabrics you love and that you had good intentions for, but just never get around to using? Or have you found that you need to make space and get rid of some of the beautiful fabric treasures you've collected? On the flip side, do you feel like fabric can get expensive really fast? It can be hard to experiment with new patterns when fabric is so expensive. This is where fabric thrift shops come in. Making Space Thrift is just one of many fabric and craft rescue shops that are popping up around the world. Located in Springville, Utah, they provide a place for you to donate those items that are no longer serving you in your creative journey, and also provide a place to search for materials that inspire and spark joy as you create. This lovely buffalo check pre-quilted fabric was one such donation. Several yards were brought in as a donation, and I knew it would make the perfect Coda for my mom. She was nervous about the fitting of this coat because she's petite and short-waisted, but since the fabric was only $4 a yard, she wasn't worried about messing it up. The bonus was she got a great fit. She used a red knit she picked up at the store for the binding, really causing it to pop, and it turned out so cute. There are bundles of donations that work so well for the Coda, like these cute quilt packs. All the work color matching is done for you, and you can simply cut your squares and cut out your Coda. There are also pre-printed quilt panels that take the piecing work out of it for you. The store also receives donations of partially completed quilts, fully pieced quilts, and squares ready to be sewn together. You can truly make a perfectly personalized Coda using someone else's donation. I love knowing that when I donate some of my treasured fabric and craft supplies to make room for more, that someone out there will give it new life in their creative journey. If you're interested in finding a fabric rescue near you, check out my blog post linked below.